terminology for it is purpose or calling or your mission and vision in life. Like, what are you meant to do? It's kind of like what you're meant to do. And the thing about Dharma is Dharma talks about how we think we have to learn lots of stuff.
Going up, going up, going up. Mama banga till we going up. But I believe yeah, it's alright. But I know God do we going up, going up.
Yo, what up? It's your boy LS Stones back with the Rashandi Sinogama Figi to Bani Segi show. Bafesu, namhlanje I'm back with a new show. Kamalayo, Ibegunjani Msebenzini. Lana I'm doing just a young kid. Bafesu, mbuza wonke umuntu osipanayo ukuthi belunjani usuku lakhe emsebenzini. Just to learn nje experience first abantu abadlula kuyona nendlela abazizwa ngayo mangabe sebephuma la bekwazi khona ukuthola amashumi. Please make sure you subscribe, you comment, you like, and share. Always. Yo, what up? It's your boy LS Stones back with another Shandi. Sinogama Figi to Bani Segi show. Nginoba.
Angifethu phethu ayala mfowavala.
Okay, thank you. So nginombuzo nje wodwa for wena. Bekunjani emsebenzini?
Mfethu uyazi iveki uthi lithi qala ubusubukela ukuthi ngathi ngaze liphele ngoba vele kwiSpani sihlezi siqina la emqaleni. So manje at least umuntu uyazi ukuthi usu Friday manje, so at least uzethu uyaphola kancane endlini abone ukuthi kwenzakalani. I-weekend isiphatheleni vele. Ngoba uyazi vele ukuthi ngomvulo ekseni siyavuka abantu besalele sibone idolobha, ngama Saturdays sibone ukuthi i-weekend isiphatheleni sijabule nabantu.
Awe jam khona abantu laba ngakuthola khona Instagram noma ku TikTok.
Yeah, bangangithola mfethu ayavala. Nje simple yonke indawo.
Alright, ngiyabonga njalo.
Ngiyabonga.
Awe ngisho nginoba
nomzuzu mfethu Mix Up Boy 24
awe so njalo ungitshela bekunjani emsebenzini?
Mfethu beko right to ukuthi nje bengilinda ukuthi ngiphume mfethu ukuthi ngishopele igana uyazi na Friday manhlezi ikhona imali egana.
Wala so ikuphi la abantu bangakuthola khona njalo mabethanda ukufollow?
Mfethu Instagram dog Mix Up Boy 24. Yeah, no WhatsApp kodwa mina sixoxe qala phone WhatsApp.
Right. Jam ngiyabonga kakhulu ne.
Awe.
Rabbit your boy LS Stones back with another Shandis. And your time I feel to buy and say show. So guys, today I'm here to link up with someone, and yeah, she's just gonna be our guest, I think, for the day. And yeah, so right now I'm trying to find out who's happy. I think the mom for nearly but we outside here. Yeah, I'm just waiting. Oh, Nangu rooms.
Waiting for what, bro?
I'm waiting for another hand to pull up, dog. That's good.
What's wrong with you?
You're coming from work.
Oh,
Hola. Exe, one question, quick question, dog. Quick question. Tell me something. Begunjani msebenzini?
it was nice. We were with the Indians there and all that shit. But
Okay.
we survived. Yeah.
So tell me, yini oyithandayo emsebenzini?
The women are beautiful. The job is easy. The Indians are hard.
Okay, if bumphathi yini ongayishintsha eyenzakalayo manje emsebenzini?
The culture. Make the place more fun. And fire the Indians.
Oh, hey, shut up, boy. So yeah, I'm about to link up with this hand. I'll show you just now, gents. I'll show you just now. She is a friend of mine. She's a good friend of mine. We met like, I think 3 weeks ago. Yeah, we met like 3 weeks ago. So I'm just thinking, we're just gonna do like a young girl. But yeah, see it just now. Okay.
Yeah. I like it when she listens and speaks. And we take it to the pillow talk. She rides it like a Uber, so I use her like an app. No strings attached, but my back was broken. Yeah, she's bad to the bone. She's the hero to my bone.
Kunjani? Kunjani endlini? Lele, wayelela ngesikhathi. Uyena lo guys kumele shuthe naye vlog namhlanje. Angazi emini wabhizi nginto zakhe. Wenzani emini?
Sayibela ngenze video.
Wenzani emini? Uh-huh. Alright, say. Okay, bye, Kamala. Bye, Kamala. Introduce yourself, yeah. Introduce yourself.
Amanda
Uh-huh.
Wakabela.
Uh-huh. What are you doing?
Ngiyafunda. Esunteni.
Huh?
Esunteni.
Ikephi lapho?
Esunteni.
Ne? Okay. Yeah, bafethu uyena lo muntu abangizohlangana naye today. I think she's shy. Are you shy? Camera shy? Excuse. But siyena mfethu, we're gonna shoot more content, ne? Yeah, maybe. It's a maybe. But we're gonna shoot more content mhlambe from next week, I think. One man sazombona. Yeah, I'm glad to see. Stay blessed and shining. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Always.